Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. By default, Brave opens PDF files directly in the browser using its built-in PDF viewer. But if you want PDF files to download automatically and open in Adobe Acrobat Reader or any other PDF application, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to disable the PDF viewer in Brave browser on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So let's get started. First open Brave browser, then click on this one triple line menu in the top right corner and scroll down and click settings. After that, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, click on site and shields settings. After that, scroll down to the bottom and click additional content settings. Now scroll down and click PDF documents. Here you need to choose this one option, download PDFs. After that you can close this one settings tab. After that, whenever you will open any link in Brave browser of PDF, it will automatically download on your PC. After that you can open in any of your preferred PDF application. That's all about this video. Bye.